Welcome to the revision class of our unit test, upcoming unit test. So today in our revision, already we've discussed the portion what we are going to take children, right? So in that issue, today our revision for unit test 1 is the dolphins lesson, at the zoo, Cardiff River, and the grammar part of the gender of nouns and the reflexive and the interrogative pronouns we are taking children. I already mentioned the page numbers also very clearly. So regarding that, I'm taking the revision for you right now. Okay. So here the first question you see already I told you about the number of nouns also. Right children? So in that we have the first question here, write the plurals. Write the plurals. So what are the questions given there? The first one is donkey, right? So what is the plural for donkey? Yes, what is the plural for donkey? Donkeys, right? So D-O-N-K-E-Y-S, donkeys. Okay, children? Already you might have written the answers. Please cross-check your answers. Okay? Coming to goose. Goose, the plural of goose is G-E-E-S-E, geese. Right, children? Now, day. What about day? Days, D-A-Y-S, days, you know it already. And mouse will not be mouses, children. M-O-U-S-E-S, it is utterly wrong. We have the plural of mouse as mice. So some words you have to recognize because they don't follow the rules. Okay, children? And now I am going to write the singular for balloon. Balloons. Now we gave plural words. You have to write singulars for that. Okay. Please cross check these answers. Balloons will be balloon. That's it. Just remove just remove yes. Yes, children. Now I have the word here cherries. So it will become, but when I remove S, and you should not write it directly as C-H-E-R-R-I-E. It is wrong. The correct answer is C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Okay, children? And coming to brushes. So what we have brushes, just simply remove yes. B-R-U-S-H. That's it. You have to remove E-S here. Then you will get brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Okay, children? Then coming to the next word, roofs. We have roofs. We can write it as roof. Yes, R-O-O-F, roof. Okay, children? Now, shall I go for the next part? Yeah. Now, I have the meanings here. What I have here? Meanings, right. So, what is the first one? Yes, children, what is the meaning of hump here? Yes, hump meaning is rounded projecting part. So I'll be writing that. Rounded projecting part. Okay, children. Then next part is noble. Noble is that deserves praise, you can write, or with fine personal qualities. You can write it as with fine personal qualities. With fine personal qualities. Okay, children. Now, write the opposites of. You know to write the opposites as general words as well. So, what is the opposite of slow? Yes, F-A-S-T, fast. And what is the opposite of dry? Wet. What is the opposite of back? Yes, back opposite is front. F-R-O-N-T, front. And what is the opposite of take? G-I-V-E, give. Okay, children? So I'm going for the next part. That is, write any rhyming word for jump, bump. Bump, you can write jump, lump, So you, any word, it's rhyming word. No, I'm not asking you that you should write related to the poem only. In general, I gave, so you can write any meaningful rhyming word. Okay. So bump, if you write CUMP, comp, it's a meaningless word, right? So bump, jump, hump, right? So bump is JUMP. I'm going to write a word jump. Okay, children. Now the word is run. Run, you can write gun, fun, anything, any word, a general rhyming word you can ask her to write, ask them to write. Okay, children. So now I'm going for the next part, that is write the opposite gender. So actor, opposite gender is actress. Okay. Then I'm going for the other one, lion. It will be, yes, lioness. 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 Okay, children. What is the opposite gender of mother? Yes, father. Think I wrote wrong. Yeah, FATHER, father. And what about queen? Yes, queen. King, KING, king. Okay, children. Now I'll go for the next part, that is write the type of gender. Write the type of gender. So empress. Empress means emperor, empress. So it is it's a lady. Empress is a lady. So it is a feminine gender. So that type means you have to write what type of gender. Is it feminine gender? Is it masculine gender? Is it common gender? Like that. Is it neuter gender? Teacher. Teacher means a male or female can be called as a teacher. So you have to write it as a common gender. Okay, children. Now I'll be going with bench. What about bench? Bench is like not a male, not a female. So it is a neuter gender. NEUTER. It's a neuter gender, children. And what about milkman? Milkman is a masculine gender. MASCULINE. Masculine gender. Okay, children. This is about the types of genders. Now fill in the blanks with the proper pronouns. Cows are grazing. Cows are grazing. I think this is printed wrong actually, children. Sorry, cows are grazing. I didn't put a full stop here. That's it. So dash gives us milk. So you have to write here pronoun, no? So cows, it's a plural word, right? So what you have to write? They gives us milk. They give us milk. That is what you have to write. Okay. A mosquito has 47 teeth. Full stop. Dash has 6 legs. So mosquito is like a creature. So you have to write the proper pronoun as it. 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 So it has 6 legs, children. That is what you have to write here. Okay. I think you are understanding the revision. So now the next part is make meaningful sentences. So make meaningful sentences. It is about gentle. So we have discussed previously. Now also you can write it's gentle. Like what we can write on gentle. Yeah, you have to behave. Yeah, we have to HAVE. Have to be. We have to be gentle towards animals. Right, children? Anything you can write here. Now, often you can write like I often visit my aunt's house. Noble. I feel like teaching is a noble field. FIELD, field. You can write anything, children. Noble is like good qualities. Be noble to others. Okay, she is kind and noble. You can write any sentence. Okay, children. Now, I'm going for this next part. Where are you going? Where are you going? This is what actually the question. Identify the interrogative adjectives IA, interrogative pronouns IP, and reflexive pronouns RP in the below sentences, and write in the blanks. I gave a blank. You have to write whether it is IA or IP or RP. IA means interrogative adjective, IP means interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun means RP. Where are you going? What type of sentence it is? It's actually interrogative type only. But after where, you're not finding any adjective. So definitely it is interrogative pronoun, children. That's a simple way you have to remember. It is IP. What about these children? What is your name? Here also after the question what, it is not followed by any noun. So it is not an interrogative adjective. It is also an interrogative pronoun only, children. Okay, do not get confused. It was simple. Which color you like? See, after which color a noun is followed and it is a question. So definitely it is an interrogative adjective. So I and a interrogative adjective. What about this? They are trying themselves. This is like I told you, subject and the object reflect each other like a mirror. So this is a reflexive pronoun. So you have to write it here RP. What about this? Whose umbrella is that? This is a question, interrogative. After whose, a noun is followed. So definitely it is an interrogative adjective. So you have to write interrogative adjective, children. Hope you're getting my point or understanding, right? Or you have any doubts, you can reach me personally also, children. So the last one, she walked herself without help. She walked herself, she and herself, reflexive pronoun. So you have to write here RP, right children? Now here you can see some question answers here. What do dolphins eat? You have read the lesson, right? So dolphins eat fish. That's it. Okay, children? How did the god of river look? Yes, god of river looked. How he looked, children? Yes, the god of river looked tall. I think, yeah, I have written looked tall and fair, but was sad. Right, children? This is what I have learned from your textbook lesson. So this is the revision, a simple revision, and the test will be objective based only, children. But you have to learn the question answers of the lessons given and the grammar part as how I have discussed now. In the same way, you will be having different models in the exam, and you can do it very simply, children. Okay, just follow the revision properly and accordingly you go. Okay, you can forward the doubts to me personally in my message. Okay, children, I'm stopping the share. And thank you so much for listening. Have a nice time and follow the revision concepts as well.